Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. See a beautiful bit of kit. We've got some Bikini beach bars. Also, we've got some VTX 1800 special risers that we do. Okay, this is all solid steel, chrome plated, complete with the correct threaded bolts for the VTX, which are 14mm, very unusual. Most of the 10, 12, half inch, or even 10 on some of the Yams. But these particular ones on a VTX big chunky bike, you need these proper 14mm risers. So these are, say, made in the UK, very, very good quality, come complete with nylocks. And I say this particular bar is required by this guy. You can obviously use drag bars, various other bars, ape hangers, whatever you want with these low risers. So if you're interested in any great quality stuff, we don't do shit, give us a call. Give you an example. This is the kind of gear we keep. You know, we've got masses of stuff you'd ever need. We've got engines for Harleys, we've got billet wheels, you know, pretty well whatever you're ever going to need. See the wheels here. These will also fit a VTX, believe it or not, just Harleys. You know, we've got brake pads, we've got all your oil filters, your fork oils. If you want to build a big motor Harley one, got S&S stuff, bottom ends, top ends, and just whatever you need if you're a biker. Okay, we do the fat spoke wheels. They will not fit a VTX without any massive machining. Powder coating wheels. It's a billet swinging arm, single-sided for a softail, very unusual. We do built well, we do Bell, and we do Simmos. So you see the Simpson top of range helmets. You know, there's a Simpson. I'll wear one of those beautiful white ones with a sun visor, like a Bell Tour light. Okay, you can basically just about see, because I forgot to put the lights on. But iron ore frame, if you want to build a chopper. We've got bag of top boxes. We've got the LEFs, Louders, guess what, pipes. We've got all different Simpson helmets, Scorpions. These, a lot of this is VTX. See up here, we've got VTX stuff up here. We've got the VTX, for instance. Rear covers for the pivots, they would be a fortune new. I can assure you now, they'd be about 90, 100 quid. Drive shaft cover for an M18, M90. You know, we've got lots and lots of stuff. I believe this is VTX. Yeah, that's VTX as well. VTX or Valkyrie billet. That's a proper billet horn cover, not just plastic. HS13 and various caps. You know, we've got the VTX master cylinder caps. Do great quality clothing. Got the biker vests, gun vests. We've got, you know, ladies stuff, luggage. We have seats, silly helmet covers, just everything you're ever going to need. We really have. If you're interested, give us a call. Nitrous Kits 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.